Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Today I will be going right into Hood. Before I start though, I do want to say if you guys have the time, please give me a like. It's completely free on the video, and it definitely helps push the algorithm out to all the people that might be interested in the video as much as you guys. If you'd like to join the Patreon, I'll drop the link in the comment and in the description below. And with that being said, let's get started. I really don't need to do a lot of TA on Hood. Well, sorry about that. I really don't need to do a lot of TA on Hood. You're on a very clear downtrend on the weekly for Hood. You actually just closed a bear week on Robinhood this past Friday. And I think you're going down. I think trajectory right now is back to $6.70. And honestly, I actually think we're going down a lot further. This is actually a pretty good indication. You see a first, second, your third trend touch. This is actually pretty good indication of divergence, right? And I can almost guarantee you that this divergence is happening on the daily. We have the stochastic at highs. Oh no, stochastic is actually at lows. That's surprising. But the weekly is at, so targets would be somewhere between 450 and $2 for Robinhood right now if this was actually real divergence. But it seems like we're actually at the peak lows right now. We're actually gonna be closing a 4-hour bear. Last time we did that, we actually ran from $9 all the way up to $12. But this was actually a run on news though, so I can determine that we'll do the same thing. So Robinhood short term, you might actually do something like go back to maybe like a $10 Robinhood before dropping down. But overall, because this weekly closed and you're officially bearish on the weekly, I'm extremely bearish towards the downside, right? So again, you're at 937 right now. You might go back to like $10 before dumping, but overall, it does look like Robinhood's going down to 678. I mean, you've had double rejections off this, off this resistance at 1086, right? Even with news, right? You came back here the first time, got rejected, back to $9, went back for news, got rejected off major resistance, and you got rejected off trend. So as of right now, it does look like not only have you like double topped here, right? Because this looks like a very easy like double top that you can like see right off the top of your head, right? That's a very clear double top. I'd say you're actually going back down to $6.78 to that previous support down here. So it's very easy to tell. I mean, at most, I think you will go back to $10 because of this 4-hour, right? The 4-hour, you're on this, and again, you bounced off this $9 mark. So you could go back to like this $10 before dropping down. But overall, sentiment is down, right? Overall, I think you're going back to 679 just because of both these rejections, the double top, rejection off major trend, rejection off this resistance at 1083 on news and no news, right? And you're just gonna drop. It does look like you're going back to $6.90. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.